today I have the DEWALT screwdriver set, insulated set with vinyl grip. This set, it's great. I usually got it in case I need to change electrical outlets and stuff that I need to do around. This is a good set to have to protecting you from getting electrocuted. Came out. This is the package that you will get. And let me open it up so you guys can see what it is. So it gives you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tools you can work with. It gives you a bigger tool, nice grip, and what it does, you go ahead and connect this. What I like about this, it attaches this, so if you move this back, it releases very fast. So these are nice. You're working on an outlet, you're taking it off, you won't get electrocuted. But always be careful. Check your electricity. Make sure you don't have no power. But this is just like a backup in case something went wrong and it's activated. You won't get electrocuted. So you get this one, and you also get this one. And then this is a smaller one, very nice too, and they're well built. And then you get this one too. As you can see, I used it a little bit. And then you have this one. It attaches very good. I like it, strong, and it releases this fast, so it's pretty nice. So then I have this one in case you need this type of tool. You attach it, release. Then you got a smaller one. Then you have another big one here. Then you have the biggest one. So this is nice, and it comes handy. It gives you a little pouch. You put it in here. The other one, it's kind of like smaller instead of being big. Tiny one, so you go ahead and put it back in. It's almost the same thing. You just release it here. I like it. Nice. And you put it here. They all fit perfect. Perfect. And it's got their sizes. You know, you got the small size here and the big size here. As you can see, one of these, this will work nice and handy. Small little screw you could take out. This one doesn't have a screw, but perfect. You just put it back in here. Then you have another one here. This one works perfect. Put it back in here. And then you put this one back in here. And then this one. Overall, it's well built. I like the grip. And then if you're screwing, you could go like this. And then this one could go in here. And then the last one. So you get a pretty much a good sets in here. And then this one goes in here. You could actually take it with you. It's got a nice grip in here. Oh, I forgot one. And then this one goes in here. And here. And then you attach it like this. It's got like you could put this like in your belt, or you could carry it with you. Attach it on your bag. It's got this pouch, and then it's good to go. It's well built. I like it. You could take this anywhere, put it in the back of your truck, on your tow box, and everything. Look at this. So this is the DEWALT screwdrivers for electrical, so you won't get electrocuted. It stands out. I like it. I'll put a link so you could actually grab this, and I really recommend this. Good job, DEWALT.